Hi, my name is Reagan, and I'm going to tell you the story about how I tried to do a trick about where you're pulling the cloth off of the table and all of the materials on the table stay there. It didn't go down easy because I wanted to try it, but I had to wait for the food. And plus, my mom had a double date, so it was gross. So then I tried it, and there was a fire. Everyone started screaming, "Fire, fire, 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 fire!" I was so humiliated. Fire, 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 fire. Then, guess what? There was more fire everywhere. And it started, and the bells started to ring like sirens. So then, when we got home, I had to sit in timeout. And it stunk so bad. Because I was just trying to try a magic trick because I want to be a musician when I grow up. Wait, did I see that right? I don't know. I don't really care. Well, thanks for listening, and hopefully you'll see the blog. Thanks.